that was asked by Honorable Chebukut about downgrading the security of the Deputy President. We haven't downgraded the security of the Deputy President. In fact, this is a propagandist approach to this, and almost a laughable thing to imagine. With this level of personnel, and I've not talked about the assets that we have deployed. If you knew the assets that we have deployed in providing, you cannot talk about downgrading the security of the Deputy President. The rearrangement is an action that was done by the Inspector General. As I said, I won't explain the details of it in an open meeting like this. But it's not whimsical. It's considered, in order. The Inspector General takes decisions after so many considerations, as it were. And as I said, he would consult, colleagues in the security sector. He would go to NSAC and other organs. He doesn't just decide off, on top of his mind like that. Did the CS inform the DP? This is routine. Honestly speaking, if we were not in the political context in which we are as a country, there are times when some of us wake up in the morning and wonder, what is wrong with us as a country? The things that we spend time talking about, and so this is really routine. If you ask anybody today, Mr. Chairman, if you walked here to Njaya House and asked the regional commissioner for Nairobi, who are the chief inspectors around Nairobi, he wouldn't tell you. Because we keep moving them around from time to time. He will turn up at Kilimani, and a gentleman will introduce himself. I'm the chief inspector of police, this is what I do, and so on. It's routine work. So, are you going to spend your time, every time you are doing routine work? Our job is routine, to make sure that we protect the VVIPs in our midst. So, are you going to spend time talking about routine things? For the IG, the rearrangement is a quasi-routine assignment. And then this is not something for which I would write a letter to His Excellency the Deputy President. Or why would I write a letter about then I would be writing 10 or 15 letters, because how many times have we reorganized personnel, not just there or in any other installations? I would be writing a letter to every minister. Every time we rearrange security, I would be writing letters to every constitutional office holder, to the Speaker of the National Assembly, to the Chief Justice. Every time
maybe CS, you can tell us, because you have stationed, you said you stationed 74 GSU officers there. Are they constant, the same people, or do you keep changing them? And do you then address the DP, or do you tell him when you want to change them? Or they are the same people who started and are still there?
The Presidential Escort team is an exclusive team across the country. They are exclusive because they are trained, they are prepared for that job. The commanders of that team are people who have been working with His Excellency the Deputy President for a long time. We haven't changed them. That is the cause, as I showed you in Annex 1 of my document, that is the core team that provides security to His Excellency the Deputy President. Probably, actually, if you were changing those ones, you would have reason probably to tell the Deputy President. But these others are doing almost routine work. So why would you write a letter every day or inform him every day? The Presidential Escort team is intact. Its commanders are intact. They are the same people who have been working with him. They are there. He has not expressed any concern about any one of them. And they have been working with him all along. He has not raised any issue. And if he did, he would probably raise it with the Inspector General who's here, and the Inspector General has not informed me of any of that kind. But these others, like Layer 2, Layer 3, and so on, you can't be communicating on work that is supposed to be done by office holders like the Inspector General. They're basically doing their work. That's why some of us are actually wondering why the hullabaloo when we are doing the rearrangement that we are doing, or the Inspector General is doing the rearrangement that is doing.